Guys, in this video, I'm going to be sharing how I completed my 100,000 views on TikTok within few days. All right, so all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to build, grow their social media platform, and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. All right. So basically, for you to actually get monetized on TikTok, you need to be up to 18 years and have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views for the past 30 days, right? And as you can see right here, you can see I've completed the first step, which is 18 years, and the third step, which is 100,000 viewers, right? And I was able to achieve this within few days. Right, so I'm going to be sharing how I actually achieved this. If you recall in a video I made on how to complete your 60,000 watch minutes on Facebook within some days, right? This is the same step I use on TikTok, all right? If you can recall in the video, in one of the method, I stated that if you want to complete your 60,000 watch minutes very fast, that you need to post more of viral reels. What I mean by viral reels are most of those reels that have already gotten 50 million views, 10 million views, 5 million views, 20 million views on Facebook or TikTok. All right. If you can get those videos, all you need to do is for you to react on those videos. I've made several videos on how you can actually react on videos the right way, right, in this particular channel. So if you're new in this channel, I've not really seen those videos. It's important for you to go through my channel and you see some videos I made on reaction videos, right? So when you are posting those viral videos, you are not meant to post those videos the same way you downloaded them. You need to react to them. So let me actually share with you guys how I did this. So basically, this is a common psychology. As a beginner in this field, in this content creation field, people might not know you, and nobody know your face. So why I'm saying this is that me right here, maybe a lot of you guys know me here on YouTube, but basically in this YouTube, I don't think I'm already well known, because if I post my video on Facebook or other platform, many people don't know me. So when I use my face, it will be difficult for my videos to go viral. No matter the kind of message I'm sharing there, they can easily swipe up. So if you really want to complete your viewers very easily, you will need some videos that have already gone viral on TikTok or on Facebook, right? Because there is a reason why this video are going viral. So because of that particular reason, when you react on it and post it on TikTok, people will still watch that video because of the reason why they have watched it before. Any video that has gotten up to 1 million to 10 million views, it actually means that there is something that made people to actually view that video from 1 to 10 million. And that same reason is the reason why they are going to view it, react on it. If a video has gotten 10 million views, it doesn't mean that everybody in the world has watched the video, because I can say maybe by the time of making this video, with the statistics of what I know, I don't know if we have surpassed, but I believe that we are up to 8 billion in this world, right? 8 billion people, and just 10 million people watch the video. It actually means that there are a lot of millions of people and billions of people that have not seen the video. So when they come across the video, they will still watch the video because of the same reason why the other people that have watched it in other page watched it. All right, so you have 80% possibility for the video to go viral. Like I said in that video, that most times you might post those videos and it might not go viral immediately, but once you stay consistent, keep on posting it, one of them must actually go viral. So in this page, I just created this page on the 17th of this month. It's not been a while I created this page. If you can recall, in a video I made on how to create international TikTok accounts without VPN in Nigeria, I showed you guys this particular page, and the page was about 0 followers, right? Because that was when I created the page newly. It was about 0 followers, right? So, and right now you can see the page actually has over 100 followers, and this is within 1 week. So it's very, very simple, right? So what I actually did right there is that, okay, I wanted to have a page where I do reaction videos on TikTok, just like the way I have several pages on Facebook that I do other things. Even on YouTube right here, I have so many pages that I actually do other things, but this is actually the only page that I show my face on YouTube, right? So I decided to create that page, and when I created that page, I just wanted to post reaction videos on that page. And when I posted the first video got 500 views, and I posted the second one, it got 500 views as well. Then I posted another one which actually got, I think, 4 views. You can see it. I posted a video that got 4 views in that particular page. I think by now it must be 5 views. I've not checked when I'm making the video, but I know it has not surpassed 10 views, right? So a lot of creators, when they post video and they get 500 views, and post another one get 500 views, and post another one and get 4 views, most of them actually give up because they feel like, actually TikTok don't want to favor me. No, most cases things like that happen, but what keeps you going is for you to actually believe that this thing will work and keep on posting it, because once you keep on posting, you must get a video that will blow up. All right, there is an article I read which says that when your audacity is get bigger, is the more the nature favors you. So you just need to understand that when you are creating content, just have that high hope that my video is going viral. Put that faith there, and you see it will go viral. But when you get discouraged, it will stop you from making more content. So because of that particular faith I have, when I start a particular channel or a particular page, I always have the faith that that channel will be successful, right? So when I posted that video that got that low views, it didn't discourage me, so I started to post more, and I posted more and more, and till I got this particular one that blew up, right? So basically what I'm trying to say is that if you want to complete your 100,000 views on TikTok, it's very easy. All you need to do is for you to go and look for those videos that have already gone viral and react on it. Right? It doesn't matter, maybe you want to show your face on TikTok, you want to teach another different thing, right? You can still be posting your own normal things, but if you really want to get this thing very fast, just post videos that already gone viral, and those videos, when they get viral, you get to complete those things that you need. You get to complete the 10,000 followers and the 100,000 views. You can now start switching small small, because your face is already showing in that page, and the people who are already watching your reaction videos already know that you are the one that is posting them. So when you start posting your normal videos small, so you still be getting small small views, and small small, it will start blending and blending, and will now go full time with the kind of content that you want to post, right? So this is exactly how I achieve this, right? By posting the videos that have already gone viral. So what I'm actually sharing with you guys in this page is my experience, because why I'm actually telling you this is that I created an international TikTok account for this particular content I post on YouTube. This particular international TikTok account, and you can see I've not gotten up to 50 followers in this particular page. The reason why? Because people don't know me. In as much as I post these videos on YouTube and you guys say, this video is amazing, I love it, but people on TikTok, they don't know me. So for me to actually achieve this very fast, well, I'll need to post what they want to watch, and achieve it, then continue with my content. But I'm a kind of person that actually, when I create a page, I love to build it small small. It doesn't matter how slow it goes, right? So that's the reason why I'm not doing that in that page. But if you really want to achieve this very fast, do the same thing I did that helped me to achieve this. So what I'm sharing in this video is how I achieved it. So if you want, you can still do the same thing I did, and you'll be able to achieve this very fast. Now, if you do this within 2-3 weeks, you will see that you'll be able to achieve the 100,000 views. Because a lot of people are afraid, how am I going to achieve 100,000 views? I just created this account. It's very easy. I see all these things easy. It's very easy for you to achieve this. You just need to believe and do the right thing. Do the thing that you're supposed to do, and you'll be able to achieve them. All right. So basically, if you want to achieve this, go on TikTok, go and look for all those videos that have already gone viral. Go to Facebook, look for those videos that has gone viral, get them and react on it. Right. So I've made a video on how to do reaction videos, but in case you still want to learn how I edited this particular reaction video, I'm going to be making another video, which will be the video that will be following this particular video, right? How I create my own reaction video, right? I've made several videos on how other people create their reaction video, right? But in that particular video, I'm going to be creating how I do my own reaction video. even though I made a similar video, the celebrity that actually did the same way I do is Williams Uchemba. The way he edits and the way I edit is actually similar, but it's not actually the same. I made a video on how this guy actually edits his reaction video, all right, which is this video. You can go and watch it, but I'm going to be making the video on how I create my own reaction video. Is almost the same, but there is different. There are some things he does which I don't actually do, because I want to post more. I need to create more reaction videos, because his own is a bit difficult, but my own is very, very easy. So if you are new in this channel, it's very, very important that you stick in this channel to actually learn how I create my own reaction video, and you can post it on TikTok, post it on Facebook, and start making money. So guys, this is how I achieved my 100,000 viewers on TikTok, and it's very easy. You can also achieve that, right? So if you're new on this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.